see me, they in G-Shock. Homie, this is too far. Homie, I feel too alive. You can see me like Illuminati. You can see me like Illuminati.
Hi guys, morning.
Morning.
We are leaving this beautiful campsite to go towards Milford Sound today. Are you excited?
I don't really know what to expect from saying it like that.
Yeah, neither.
But going on a cruise. Should be good.
Yeah. Bye.
Sausage and egg McMuffin again for the morning.
Let's just stay. It's a beautiful, wonderful day. We rode our bikes down broken streets. We chased the sun, chased the sun. The day was great, we made it shine.
What the?
Bryce, don't scare it away. Oh, why did you do that?
Did you get it?
Hi guys, we are here at Milford Sound. Well, at the base of it, and it is stunning. It is so pretty. like just the reflection. It's amazing, so amazing. I'm so excited for this cruise. It's 2 hours long, and yeah, I'm excited. Are you excited for the cruise?
Yes, it's very cold here. Like the Antarctic.
It'll probably be way colder on the cruise, but there might be inside areas, probably.
They will be.
Obviously, they're big ships. Alright, we're gonna walk over to the place where we're supposed to board and all that. Jesus. Keeps biting my fingers.
Jeffrey, you're fucking wrong around that. Oh shit.
Wowzers.
Although I didn't realise it was in the fucking ocean. I'm terrified of the ocean.
I think this is the one we're going on. What do you get?
Hot chocolate?
Oh, hot chucky.
It's $5.
Oh, it's nice on the hands. Yummy.
It's a shark. Oh, they sell beers? Oh, they sell beer.
We do sell beer, yeah.
Hold up. Can I get the lager, please? How you doing, Rick?
I'm good, thanks.
What do you want, babe?
I'm good.
What do you reckon that's not sailing?
I reckon right up the top.
Babe, what is it? Come the wrong way. Ja, en op hier. Nee. Hier aan de bar. How good is this? A little bar.
Nice.
Oh, maybe they actually do serve drinks out of here. I think they actually do.
Good?
Mm.
The lights.
Get through so you know what to do. And then I'll tell you the plan of this gorgeous lunchtime cruise. Good to have you here.
Good to be here, Mike. Right on my spring. Oh, fuck. Scared me. Good way to wake up.
Oh, so please remember you're on holiday. Take your time moving around the vessel. It's that important. And now those external doorways. There's a big step at the bottom known as the sea sill. And it's designed like that. And we're going to follow the ridge line that this mountain is a part of. We're going to get right out Tasman Sea out there. Got a few things I want to show you and tell you.
Oh, you got
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
meaning they've managed to wedge their roots into the cracks or crevices in the rock. The remaining 80% of trees will survive by intertwining their roots with anchor trees for stability. Now when an anchor tree eventually falls, it brings down all the trees connected to it, creating a tree avalanche. And these scars will take roughly 80 to 150 years to fully regenerate.
You can actually see them in the water, which is unusual as well, especially this time of the year.
There's more over there too. Wow.
U-shaped form continues beneath the surface.
There's a bird on the rock. Imagine if they had like someone who works for the company and just laid there as a mermaid or something.
Days, but with a few hours of no rain, these will start to dry up.
That's an honeymoon.
base of the very famous Minor Peak. But what makes this waterfall so unique is that it's finding one of the cracks in the Earth's crust called the Pembroke-Tunico Fault. So over millions of years, movement along it has fractured the rock, and water and glaciers naturally follow these weaknesses, which is why waterfalls and valleys often form along fault lines. But the Pembroke-Tunico Fault is just one piece of a much bigger picture. Each other and pushed to land upwards, which is how the Southern Alps were formed. And the stress from that big fault doesn't stay in one place, it spreads across a wider area called the New Zealand Shear Belt. Faults like the Pembroke-Tunico are part of this network. And
All these rock faces are.
Crazy, dude.
Sponsored by beer.
Bit cold. Bit fresh.
Yeah, just a bit.
Imagine if it was raining.
I don't think I'll be up there.
So, interesting fact, the Milford Sound was actually first missed. This is what the lady's saying. It's like, as you can see, it kind of looks like it's just a bay. But really, we just came from in the gap. I'll put a little arrow on the screen. But like, that's where we came through. So, that's crazy. Like, they just missed that spot because they just thought it was a bay. They didn't realize you could actually go in, like a secret little entrance in there.
realising Milford Sound was a lot more than shallow bays. Rono called it Milford Haven after his hometown. The later surveyor John Lord Stokes renamed it Milford Sound, both to reflect the other Fiordland sounds and because he thought it looked nothing like the Milford Haven. However, long before European explorers ever stepped foot in New Zealand, the Maori people had already named this place Pio Pio Tahi.
Pio Pio Tahi.
Falls, so it's around 600 metres high, which would make it the tallest waterfall in Milford if it wasn't technically considered a cascade. So this is the longest lasting rain-dependent waterfall here, taking around 10 days with no rain to completely dry up.
Like sandflies as much as we do, they don't like them at all, to be precise. And they won't come out of the water if there's no wind, because those sandflies bother the seals as well as they bother us. But sometimes we catch up with seals here, even with no wind. But at the moment, I don't get eyes on anything at the moment.
It's like a little waterfall coming out of rock, but you can't see it, so it's like the water is underground.
Sound's second tallest waterfall, and it exists all year round as it's glacially fed and doesn't rely on the rain to flow. So this waterfall drops from an impressive 151 metres, which, believe it or not, is 3 times the height of Niagara Falls. There's also a legend here, and it said if you're kissed by the mist of Waimanu, you'll wake up tomorrow looking and feeling 10 years younger. What we call the ultimate glacial facial, and this one's on us. This is an undisputed highlight of your trip, so I really do recommend getting outside for this one. Just be sure to protect your phones and cameras.
Oh my god, we're getting so close.
Free you can experience anywhere in New Zealand or in the world.
Oh, that waterfall.
Inte har svarat så går the sun upon pause. And after you double check, triple check, make sure you have all your personal gear, I do like to extend the invitation to come back. I'd love to show you this place in the rain. No one believes me, but it's amazing in the rain. And for you to believe me, just find out and see for yourself.
Well, dude.
Hold on to your camera.
Just everything's so pretty right now. With the boats. Oh! Whoa, a lot of people. Oh, we clap, clap. Why so serious?
It was nice.
It was nice.
A lot of beautiful things to see. Beer was good. Views were good. The company was even better.
Overall, it was amazing.
Yeah.
A little bit chilly.
Yeah, it's a bit cold.
Glad it wasn't raining, but like there'd have been more waterfalls.
Oh, well.
But it would
Like a
have
fancy
been. Some people waved at us, or other people that, and we thought it was for us.
Nice.
Oh, you know what I was also thinking? With the beans and the rice we have, and the wraps, should we get like,
Burritos. I
yeah,
thought that yesterday.
but like without the meat, should we get like some, I don't know, something else?
I didn't think that yesterday.
Maybe on the cards, burritos for dinner?
Burrito, 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 burrito.
That sun is nice. Marvin. Ooh. Guys, that was so pretty, especially the last bit. I couldn't just get off my camera and start filming, but you probably see a bit of that. But yeah, we got off, and apparently now it seems to be peak hour. We obviously chose a good time. I think we chose the second earliest one, which boarded at 11:15 and left at 11, and we've just come back. And what's the time, Bryce? 1:09. And like the car park is full. There's people everywhere, so I reckon definitely get the early one if you're thinking about going. It's really nice timing, like with the light on the way back, but even get the one before and you'll probably have less people. But yeah, that's my suggestion, even though I've only done this once. And it's a Saturday today, so maybe it's more busy on a Saturday, don't know, but yeah.
Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it up. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. Don't look at the past, no, we're not going that way. Oh, now make it last, make it last to the break of day. No matter what people say, live life in a fast lane. Double shot for the gifted, triple shot for the pain. There you go, drink it up, all this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life.
Hey guys, guys, so we're in Invercargill, I think, and we booked a powered site at this place and it looks really sketchy, so we're definitely locking our doors tonight, but I'm sure everything will be fine. So yeah, a little bit nerve-wracking, but I'm sure it'll be all good. And we got stuff to make burritos for dinner. Yeah. Got some beans. We got some Mexican salad, or salad with Mexican sour cream sauce, which tastes really yummy, and I put some corn in there. It's corn. It's got the juice. We've got to have some of these. So I'll be a bit Mexican and a bit, whatever. But I think it will taste yummy. We've got some Mexican style rice and then the wraps. And I think we'll have whatever leftover rice and beans in a container, and same as salad. Probably chicken too. Yeah, baby. These are our movie choices of the night. And we've got some popcorn for later. Also got some chocolate because I keep craving chocolate at night, and of course we don't have any, so now we do.
I don't say.
Just one.